with the old and starting the new. So what we're doing this morning, guys, is changing a ceiling fan. First thing you want to do is shut off the power to the house. Right?
No problem.
Those of you that are new to the channel, I'm Marilyn. This is James, colloquially known as Red and Nika. Say hi, Brina. She's visiting. Anyway, this room has seen a lot of changes. This is Brina's room. She's here visiting. She's an M3 medical student, studying for her boards. So she's just observing until she gets to studying. That's where her toy box used to be, in that corner there. So we kind of DIY demoed that. We did have someone come in to start the flooring, because we haven't really gotten into DIY flooring just yet, except tearing it out. But we are self-contracting a lot of projects. But this morning, he's working on the ceiling fan. So watch and learn. So this is actually a fan that we had in our room that he removed. And we put up a new fan with a lot of beautiful bling to match the light and the little sitting area. But these blades, they match these floors perfectly. So what he's doing is actually flipping the blades. Did you guys know that was possible? This is so cool. This added to the video.
Yeah, I'm cleaning it. It's dusty.
That's my commercial.
What's your want, fella? So we're having to go back in to remove this little centerpiece here to be able to change these blades around. Sometimes you just have to troubleshoot and problem solve to get the job done.
I'm not doing all that. That's crazy.
Maybe. It never works. Okay, one down, 4 more to go. We're just flipping it to the other side to get the floor.
I'll tell you what you can't do. Keep that fan from spinning. Just hold on to that.
So we're just lining up the holes of the metal on the bracket with the holes on the fan.
We're not. I am.
And flipping it.
We're not.
Okay, so for this next part, you want to read your manufacturer's instructions in terms of how to connect the wires on your new fan to the existing wires that are in your wall. We're not electricians, this is DIY. Make sure the power's turned off.
In there. Let's get these wires.
And now we're matching up the wires. Make very certain you're reading your manufacturer's instructions of how to do this part correctly. There's a white, a black, and a red, but there's also a blue and a green. Now he's connecting the Green to the green. And now he's capping it off to cover the exposed wires. That's those little red caps. Okay, so that's a video that shows how it sits inside of the bracket, and you can actually see the caps over those exposed wires. Make sure you read your instruction manual to make sure you're doing that part correctly, or consult with an electrician. Almost there. It's looking so good already. Almost there, guys. Almost there. So he's gone down to the garage to turn on the power so we can test it to see if all of our efforts have paid off with this installation DIY of a ceiling fan. Okay guys, time for the final reveal. There we go. It works. So you've just got to finish the final connections, but you want to make sure, of course, you follow the manufacturer's instructions on the wiring part. That's most important for safety. So now we're just going to attach it to the ceiling now that we know it works.
It already attached to the ceiling.
So for this last part, you should have screws that are left over for that middle cup shape or dome shape cover part or plate, base plate. That's gonna be the exposed wires underneath that portion. Just screw those in. Alright, so moving on to the other side, there's the two screws to that dome shape cover plate, and I'll just screw it in. And that should hold your ceiling fan in place to the ceiling. Yep, that's it.
This whole plate. This whole plate. That's it. Everything else is all this.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, so he's just doing the final tightening on that other side of the screw, and the ceiling fan installation is complete. Let's hit the light switch too. There we go, guys. It's done in under an hour. Ceiling fan installation. Thanks for watching. Red and Mika DIY. We're not really on other social media channels yet, so with YouTube, please help us to grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing. We'll be bringing some awesome content as we're doing this self-contracting work, DIY work with a huge home renovation project. Have a great day, guys.